Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. Today we are going to solve lesson 2 exercise 2.2 solutions. Okay. For this you need to see my introduction video of lesson 2. Okay, let us start with question 1 here. First question is given as Amina thinks of a number and subtracts its 5 by 2 from that number. She multiplies the result by 8 and the result now obtained is 3 times the same number. What is the number? Okay, so we have to guess. Let the number be x. She subtracts 5 by 2 from x, so the equation becomes x minus 5 by 2. Then multiplies the result by 8, so this is multiplied by 8 and she gets 3 times of the same number, so that is 3x. Okay, so this becomes your equation now. You have to solve for x. So find the value of x here. So first multiply x inside the bracket. You get as 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2 equal to 3x. Do the cancellation. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. It becomes 8x minus 20 equal to 3x. So now take the like terms together. So 8x, x is plus, 3x is plus here, it comes to this side, so it becomes minus 3x equal to 20, and 8 minus 3 is 5x equal to 20. So x equal to 20 by 5, that gives you 4. So that is x equal to 4. So they are asking what is the number. So write the statement as the required number is x equal to 4. So that is the answer. Next question is, second question. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? So there are two numbers, so let first positive number be x and second positive number is 5 times the previous one, so it is 5x. 21 is added to both of them, so the equation becomes, so the new number becomes x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Now what is the relation between these new numbers? So one is twice the other. So let us write 5x plus 21 equal to twice the first one, previous one. Okay. Now solve for x. So 5x plus 21 equal to, multiply 2 inside, so that is 2x plus this becomes your 42. Okay, so take the like terms together. 5x minus 2x is 42 minus 21. So 3x equal to 21. X equal to 21 by 3, that gives 7. So x equal to 7. So now you have to find positive numbers. So first positive number was, so first positive number is x equal to 7 and second positive number is was 5x, that will be equal to 5 into 7, so that is 35. So 7 and 35 are the required numbers. Okay. Okay. Now the third question is, sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. what is the 2-digit number. Now 2-digit numbers, you know, that is from 10 to 99 are the 2-digit number. So suppose I have taken here example as 23. So 23 means it is 20 plus 3, that is called as the 23. That is a 2-digit number. So we don't know what are the numbers of a 2-digit number, but sum of the digits is 9. Means if we add those 2 digits, the total becomes 9. Okay. So now let us take as the unit digit as x. You know, this one is the unit digit and this is the tens digit of a 2-digit number. So we don't know the digits, so let us assume that unit digit is x. So tens digit will be, from this equation it will be 9 minus x. This becomes 9 minus x. Therefore the original number. So how to make the original number? Always multiply the units place with 1 and tens place with 10. Okay, so that is how you have to write the original number. So multiplying tens digit by 10, it becomes 10, 9 minus x, and units digit multiply by 1, so you get x only, so plus x. Now solve this equation, multiply 10 inside the bracket and do the addition and subtraction of the like terms. You get the equation as 90 minus 9x. That is the original number. Then they are asking to interchange the digits. They are asking to interchange the digits. So on interchanging the digits, unit digit becomes what was before the tens digit. You have to write it in unit digits. That is 9 minus x, and tens digit will become x. So new number becomes what? So you can see here I have given an example. So new number becomes 10x, multiply tens digit by 10, so 10x, and add unit digit to it. So it is 9 minus x. Solve the equation, you get as 9x plus 9. So this is the new number. Okay. So they are telling, the question is telling that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So new number is greater than original number by 27. It means that if you subtract the new number, original number from the new number, you get 27. So this becomes your equation here. So that is new number minus original number equal to 27. So substitute the values of new number as 9x plus 9 and minus original number is 90 minus 9x equal to 27. Okay, so solve it. So this becomes 9x plus 9 minus 90 plus 9x equal to 27. Since this minus minus becomes plus. Okay, so now like terms, 9x and 9x is 18x, and 90 plus minus 90 minus 9 is 81. Since the bigger number carries negative sign, so it is negative, minus 81 equal to 27. Okay, so now further the statement becomes 18x equal to, move 81 to that side, so 27 plus 81, it gives 18x equal to 108. So x equal to 108 by 18. On cancellation, you get the answer as 6. So x equal to 6 you are getting. So what was x here? For the original number, you need to find the original number here. Substitute x in this original number. You will get the answer for original number. So right here, original number equal to 90 minus 9x, that gives 90 minus 9 into 6, that is 90 minus 54. So the answer is 36. So that is the original number. Okay. Fourth question now. One of the 2 digits of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. So same thing, we are not knowing here what are the digits. So let us assume that unit digit is x and tens digit is 3x, because one of the digit of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other. So we can guess tens digit as 3x and unit as x. If you interchange the digits, so on assuming this, the original number becomes here multiplied tens digit by 10 and add it to the units digit, you get the answer as 31x. Now interchanging the digits, you can see interchanging the digits, so you get the new number as new number becomes 13x. Okay, so further they are asking the question as add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. So you have to add the original number to the new number and you get 88. So that is the equation. So 31x plus 13x equal to 88. Now solve it. 31 plus 13, it becomes 44x equal to 88. So x equal to 88 by 44. That gives 2 answer. You need to find here the original number. So write original number equal to original number equal to 31x, that is 31 multiplied by 2, you get the answer as 62. So this is the original number, required original number. Fifth question is Shobho's mother's present age is 6 times Shobho's present age. So here are two persons, Shobho and her mother. Shobho's age 5 years from now till will be 1/3 of its mother's present age. Now what are their present ages? So they are asking the present ages of the Shobho and also her mother. So first the relation is given as mother's age is 6 times Shobho's present age. So let present age of Shobho be x and mother's age will be 6 times, so 6x. So the equation given is Shobho's age 5 years from now. 5 years from now means present. Add 5 to it, so it becomes x plus 5 will be means equal to 1/3 of Shobho's mother's present age. Present age is 6x. Okay, so this becomes your equation. Now start doing it. So it becomes 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Solve it. So this becomes x plus 5 equal to 2x. Bring the like terms together. So it becomes 2x minus x. So x equal to 5, or you can write x equal to 5 here. Okay, x equal to 5. Who was x here? Shobho. Shobho's present age was 5. So write your statement. Shobho's present age equal to x equal to 5 years. You need to find her mother's age also. So Shobho's mother's present age was 6 times her age. So it is 6 into 5, that becomes 30 years. So 5 and 30 are the required answers. Next question is, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village and the length and the breadth of the plot are 11:4. So length is 11x, assume as length as 11x here and breadth is 4x here. So at the rate of 100 rupees per meter, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 rupees to fence a plot. Fence means perimeter. So it is the perimeter, fencing means. So total cost of fencing is given here as 75,000 rupees and 1 meter fencing cost rupees 100. So from here you can find the perimeter as total cost upon cost per meter. That becomes 75,000 upon 100, that gives 750 meter is your perimeter. Okay. Now since it is a rectangle, so you have to write the formula for perimeter of rectangle as 2 bracket L plus B. Substitute all the values. Perimeter as 750 equal to 2, length as 11x and B as 4x. Okay. Now 2 is in multiplication with this bracket, it will move to the other side and gets divided upon 2 and add these two like terms, that becomes 15x. Okay. On division you will get here 375 equal to 15x. So 375 divided by 15 equal to x. Okay, so on cancellation you can see, on cancellation you will get as x equal to 25, x equal to 25. So now substitute x in length equal to, it was 11x, so 11 into 25, you get the answer as 275 meter, that is your length, and breadth equal to 4x, so that is 4 into 25 is 100 meter. So 275 and 100 is the answer. Next question is, Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniform. Shirt material, it costs 1 meter 50 rupees, and trouser material that costs 1 meter as 90 rupees. So this is for shirt and this is for trouser. Write the given thing, cost of 1 meter is 50 and here the cost of 1 meter was 90. Then he says that for every 2 meters of the trouser material he buys 3 meters of the shirt material. So shirt is to trouser becomes 3:2. Okay. Then he sells the materials at 12% profit and 10% profit respectively. Respectively means shirt was first and trouser was second. So profit for shirt was 12% and trouser was 10%. He total sale is given as 36,660. So how much material for trouser did he buy? So let the shirt, since it is the ratio given here, write the statement as let the shirt material be 3x and trouser material be 2x. Now you have to find the cost price of shirt. So it becomes 3x multiplied by per meter is 50. Okay, so 3x into 50 equal to 150x rupees. That becomes the cost price. So this is rupees. And for trouser 2x into 90, it becomes 180x rupees. Okay, so after that find the selling price for shirt. Let it be SP1. Formula is 100 plus profit percentage upon 100 into cost price. This for shirt we are taking, so we have to take the cost price for shirt, that is 150x. Now solve it. So this will be your 112, 100 plus 12 is 112 upon 100 into 150x. Okay, so on cancellation you get the answer as 168x. Got it? Then similarly for trouser you have to do 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP for trouser, that is 180x, and profit is for trouser as 10%. So that is 110 upon 100 into 180x. On cancellation you would get the answer as 190x. Okay, here then you have to write total selling price is given as SP1 plus SP2. This is given as 36,660. 36,000, 1 minute, equal to SP1 is given as actually there is a mistake in the question. It is not 36,660 but it is 36,600. There is a mistake in the question. And selling price becomes 168. First one is 168x plus 198x. Okay, so add this one, add up to 366x, and this is 36,600. So on dividing you get upon 366 equal to x. On cancellation you get the answer as 100. So x equal to 100. Okay, now you need to find the trouser material. So trouser material equal to trouser material, its ratio was 2x, that is 2 into 100, it gives 200 meters. So that is the trouser material. Okay. Let us move on to question number 8. Question number 8 is given. Half of a herd of a deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deers in the herd. So let this rectangular box be the total number of deers, that is x here. Half of them are grazing. Okay. So remaining half becomes how much? From total you need to minus the grazing one. So it becomes x minus x by 2, that is the remaining one. So this block is the remaining one. From this remaining, 3/4 of them are playing and the remaining 9 are drinking water. Okay. So that is all about these statements. So you need to add here grazing, then the playing and drinking, that total counts out to be total number of deer, that is x. Now solve this equation by taking the LCM. First multiply 3 by 4 inside the bracket. So it is x by 2 plus 3x by 4 minus 3x by 8 plus 9 equal to x. Take the LCM of this x term. So it becomes here 8. Okay. Multiply each term by 8. You get here 4x plus 6x minus 3x plus 9 equal to x. Solve this x. 10 minus 3 is 7x by 8 plus 9 equal to x. Okay. So now move the x term to the right side. Let us get some space. So 9 equal to x minus 7x by 8. So that becomes here 8x minus 7x by 8. So it gives 9 equal to x by 8. So x equal to 9 into 8. 9 8 is 72. Okay. So 72 are the total number of deers. So you need to write the statement as the total number of deers, the total number of deers in herd equal to 72. That's the answer. Ninth question is, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 56 years older than her. Find their present ages. So we have to guess granddaughter's age is x and grandfather's age will be 10 times older. So 10x times means multiplication. So it is 10x. And grandfather is also 64 years greater than him. Not 64, sorry, 54. So we have to solve it now. 10x minus x is 9x equal to 54. X equal to 54 by 9, that gives 6 answer. Okay. So 6 answer. You need to find their present ages. So present age of granddaughter equal to present age of granddaughter that was x. So it is 6 years. Then present age of grandfather that was 10x. So it will be 10 into 6. So that is 60 years. So 6 years and 60 years are the required answers. Next question is, Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. So let us guess, as Aman's son's age will be x and Aman's age will be 3 times his son, so 3x. 10 years ago means back, you have to subtract 10 from both these numbers. So son's age becomes x minus 10 and Aman's age 10 years back become 3x minus 10. So the next relation is given as, he was 10 years ago, he was, that is Aman was 5 times his son's age. So Aman's age was 5 times his son's age. So substitute the values. Aman's age is 3x minus 10 equal to 5x minus bracket 10. So 3x minus 10 multiply 5 inside the bracket, 5x minus 50, move the like terms together. So this becomes here 3x minus 5x equal to minus 50 and plus 10. Since this is minus here, move to this side, it becomes plus. So it becomes now plus minus minus, that is 2x. Since greater number is minus here, so put minus. Similarly here also, plus minus minus, 50 minus 10 is 40 and greater number is minus. So value of x becomes here minus 40 by minus 2, minus minus get cancelled and the answer is 20. So x equal to 20. X was, we represented x as son's age. So son's age equal to x equal to 20 years and Aman's age equal to, Aman's age, that was 3 times x, so that is 3 into 20 is 60 years. So 20 and 60 are the required answers. Okay, so this was all about your exercise 2.4 lesson number 2. That's all for now. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Get the math.